Hi, my name is John Desmond. I am the manager of operations at Christian Brothers Services.
My name is Brian Dwyer. I am the supervisor of the ITS operations department.
My name is Tom Drez. I'm the Chief Information Officer at Christian Brothers Services, and I also have responsibility for security and privacy. I would say it's been just about 5 years now that CBS became a cloud-first organization.
When we started this project back in 2017, we whittled down all their different solutions and came up with 8x8 as the best vendor for us.
What we really liked about 8x8 and really helped push them up to the top was that they were a one-stop shop for both UCaaS and CCaaS.
When we all went home for COVID, everything came right up and we were all rolling perfect. And then 8x8 was just magical for that solution. We all just picked up our phones and started going.
We had some set of screen pops that we were already doing, and we wanted to match those when we went to 8x8. And on the first day when we went live with 8x8, we had those screen pops working for our customer service agents.
We always say that on the first day of any new system, it has to do everything that the old system did on its last day. The 8x8 contact center gave us everything that our old on-prem systems did, plus more. Analytics, dashboards, new ways to slice and dice the data.
Oh, I definitely would recommend 8x8 to anyone who is looking at moving to a cloud solution.